Okay, another method is because the one that you did okay, your previous assignment just a basic base profile and you revolve it to make a pulley, right? Okay, to make a pulley. Okay, if you like this one, if you look on this, sometimes modeling we already have bounding box, we have a base profile. Okay, we got this base profile, L shape, you become L block, you cut out, we have your previous assignment, right? Another one, this profile, you just profile of the pulley and revolve, you get the okay. But this one, mix mode, right? Understand? Mix. Third method is mix, combine of everything. Okay? Mix mode. Mix. Mix. Modeling method. Okay? Mix combine, base profile plus modeling. Alright? Okay, mix. Okay, when you look at this picture, this is what actually when you do modeling, you need to recognize what is the thing, what the hell is this thing you are doing modeling. This is a flange, guys, okay? You know flange. Flange is kind of piping, you have a flange, right? They kind of bracket joining to the piping, something. It's part of mechanical component, okay? This is a flange. Okay, when you look at this object, sometimes we look at it, it's kind of like complex, right? Actually, guys, it's not that hard, guys, eh? We look at this, we have a combine. Look at the base feature. What is the feature? The main features of this object is kind of like we have a kind of like a cylindrical shape, right? But it's tapered, right? If you think of everything you want to do solid modeling, you cannot do it. Right? We look at part by part, the main thing, the base. The base is kind of like we have a cylindrical shape, like a cone shape, right? Okay, forget about the three arms. Can you see the three? We have three arms, right? The one later. Can you see that three arms is the same thing? Understand? It's a repeated pattern of three. So the point is, we need to make the cylindrical shape. The first step. Then we need to make one arm only. Understand? The other can be only one command pattern. Circular pattern 3, then you will do it. Understand? Clear? Simple aja, boleh tak? So the main thing, alright. So it's a mixed mode. Mixed mode based on base profile and maybe you do some extruding so on and mixed mode. So we need to make this cylindrical shape. Yeah? Right. This cylindrical shape. If you look at this cylindrical, is it solid or is it hollow? It's hollow, right? You have thickness, there's something inside. When it is hollow, like remember when you did just now is a pulley, right? Revolve to create a pulley, right? If that is hollow, we need that base profile, right, to be revolved. Clear? Clear, guys? Focus on this one. Understand? We need the base profile of that thing to be revolved. This shape is much simpler than one you just did pulley tadi. Betul tak? Betul tak? This is simpler. Clear? I show you. Simple. Just this shape. Set a constraint parallel. The dimension is given. Remember, we have center line to be revolved at. Betul? So what it will become? When you revolve, apa jadi? Okay, what plane is it, class? Plane mesti betul. What plane? Of course, it's not top plane, right? Right or front kan? Betul lah. Of course, not top plane. Right or front plane can do, okay? Right? Revolve it, okay? So revolve it, apa jadi? They become like this, guys. You have a shoulder at the top, betul lah, class? You have like this, betul? Kan? Hollow. Kan? Hollow inside, there's something inside, so simple aja kan, revolve. Then kalau you focus on the arm, forget about sir we have a slot hole. Last kali guys, itu tak ada masalah, everything repeated pattern, betul kan? So we have a hole here, memang pening kan, headache guys. That's the last thing to do. So there's all features to be add on. Okay, repeated pattern, just one repeated and you do it, alright? Then what? Remember you see we have three arms, kan? One arm saja, okay? Draw one arm, okay. To create that one arm, tengok guys. A lot of way to do that. I can do a sketch of rectangle like this. Remember, we have the curve of the arm is a semicircle, right? We can extrude a box, fillet, can do, boleh. Or a lot of way. But my way is, I will show you how we create. From that base, we create this center line. Apa distance from here to here? What is that distance? to the end of the arm, including at the tangent. At the end, what is the total length from the center of that tank, that vertical cylinder? We have, can you see the radius? Guys, assist me guys, watch out sikit. Berapa distance from here to here? Berapa the total one? We have basket 150. Can you see this is 150? Can you see guys, from this center line, this is part C for us to revolve, right?
Yeah.
150. 150 plus
40 plus
40, 190. 190 plus 40 is
230.
230. So here is 230. This is my way. That's a lot of weight. Well, here the base thing we already done revolve, okay? Class clear. The arms, a lot of weight. My weight is 230. I create the center line. Okay, class, are you watching or not? Class.
Yes.
Then I will create a plate. I show you how we can create additional plate. We not just based on the standard front right top plate. Understand, class? Sometimes when you do modeling glass surface, you want to make hole, you add that thing, you create a sketch, right? Other one you already have face. But this one not necessary to select face to create a plate. You can add one more plate here, perpendicular to the center line. So this plate I will create a rectangle here. Okay, class? The rectangle, then we do what? Extrude, right? If I extrude distance here, makan lebih tak boleh. Dia kena stop at this surface, right? Dia kena stop. That is an option for you to extrude and stop at that surface. Clear? The stop here. Ada extrude, ada option. You using line, right? I'm not talking about extruded cut. Extrude, boss extrude, okay? You can stop at select surface to stop. Select at the surface. You stop at the surface. You can stop there. Then we do what? Fillet lah. Okay? Fillet, turn. Then we do what? Remember you done this floor after, kan? Done. Clear. Do you need to repeat another 2 arms? No. Then we will do circular pattern. Okay? We will do another features. Remember one of the features you learn mirror, kan? This is not mirror, this is about pattern. Circular pattern. Okay? Then we will do circular pattern. Okay? Circular pattern, you select this arm, select this one. If the number is 360 degree, the full revolution, right? Yeah, because this is a full revolution, right? Circular pattern, you need a path. I select this any cylindrical edges or cylindrical surface to be my path of revolution. Understand? Remember, mirror, you need mirror plane. When you revolve a profile, you need center line. But this is already 3D. You want to circular pattern, you need to revolve. You need a guideline, which curve to revolve. Select edges or select any cylindrical surface. Select that one. The number is 3 unit. 360. What features to revolve? Select the slot, select this arm, select this fillet, select this fillet. Clear? Yeah, you need to recognize which one to circular pattern. Select the arm that you just did. Select the slot, select the toe, fillet. So you have this thing. Clear? And the other one there. Right? Okay? Nampak tak? Kita dah 75% there. Right? Then, following with all the features there. Yang apa tu? The body, the hole. Then we think about this thing. Kan? Class, are you listening or not, class?
Yes.
Then, can you see that is a 4 holes there? Can you see that is a 4 holes? Nampak tak, class?
Yes.
4 holes. Do we need to draw the holes? No. Okay, I have a flat surface here. Clear? Salah, class? Select that surface, create a hole there, one only. Clear?
And then mirror.
Drill holes, elastic, don't. The outer circle there. You can. I show you how we extrude. You do this one to do. Create a circle. Circle position, you know the dimension. You know the dimension there. You know the position of the circle. Then equal, right? It's because it's 45 degree. That one. Then only holes we extrude. Then repeated pattern. You switch circular pattern. Sorry, circular pattern. And with hole, we select. Is that? Down. Bawah apa? Sama cerita dia. One hole only, repeated pattern. Clear? Position of one hole here. where it's circular, this cache, repeated pattern, how many number of hole. Okay, class, clear? That's how we do. Is it difficult? Tak kan? If you know the step, betul tak? Betul? Right. Alright, start the new part. Make sure the unit MMDS guys. Okay, and the front plane. Class, are you watching? Right. Okay, tengok sini. The first thing, origin we need to create, because first step to make the tapered cone, right? The tapered cylinder, right? You need to draw the center line for axis of revolution. Okay. Make sure it is on the origin, make it vertical. So what is the dimension of this center line? Berapa? The total height of the cylinder from the base there. What is total height? Then you see 150. 150, yeah? So it's 150. So that will be our axis of revolution. Okay? Why is it not blue color? Kenapa dia start not blue color? Because it's kan? I accidentally do not make, I make it vertical, alright? Okay, now we draw the profile. So what is the profile shape? Remember, it is actually easier than the one that you do for police, okay? It's actually easier. Okay, can you handle? Can you finish? Okay, we already have the center line depth plus ini origin kan ya. So draw this straight like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Ini parallel kan class? Parallel. Sorry, this one parallel. Parallel, and here kind of line here, then the straight out. This one easier than your this now, kan? Relation, remember what relation, okay? The radius berapa? From here to the center berapa? No, the distance from this. Berapa dah? What is the here? 65. Ah? Seri laut ni berapa? 65, right? Ya. Thickness 15. Ni berapa ni? From here, you give thickness or give radius from the center berapa?
5.
Ah?
5.
Ni, from here to here berapa? Ni apa ni? 130? No. From here to here. Oh, itu. Berapa? 180 kan? 180, right? 180. Okay, 90 lah, class. Class, are you finish? Class, how about 90? Class, 90. 90. And height ni berapa? Berapa height? Total height? 150. Yeah, the same other line. Already set kan? You set your standard. I don't have to give dimension. Make sure that this one coincident with this. Clear tak? Because this one, this center line, remember I only give 150 again. Set the relation to coincident. So you don't have to over. If you put dimension, will become red or local over defined. Because we already set this coincident with the center line already given dimension, right? Clear? Then whatever dimension you can do, you must know the dimension. 20. Okay. 20, then you create a line, then you have the upper, the 20, then we have the inner, and the class. Inner is 100 100
Yeah.
so will be 50, so here will be 50, then we have 5, yeah? 65. This 65, so? 65. Okay, we have this one, the length, and upper that we do have to play with the angle, no angle, right? We have already the is there already. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it's just matter of line, is it? Yes, matter of line. So we have the distance. I cannot recall it. Guys. We have blue. Like this. 15 and yeah, we have this thing. We have the inner edge is 65. Alright, let's do the profile guys. Maybe something let's try it. Okay, we create the profile first. Use me. Okay, on the front plane, okay, I will create. Okay, make sure I start the line. Actually guys, it kind of like tracking in line with the origin. Actually you have to set it. Actually the not that you have to set the relation, okay? You have to set the relation. Okay, this one talilan tak boleh to be set or even this like this. As long as you got it like this, right? Okay, yang ni okay. Okay, nampak can you see this one is black. Black it is already detected in line with here. I can move it down. Okay, this one is supposed to be. This one supposed to be.
Vertical.
Ini is horizontal. This one is horizontal. Okay, if you look at the. Okay, now I will give the radius just now is. Berapa tu? 90 ya. 90. From here to here is. Give the dimension dulu. From the center line to here is 90. Okay? 90, then the inside is berapa? 65. Inside is 65. From here to here is 65. Right? Here is berapa? 15. Okay, class. Another relation. I need to push. What is the relation here and this one? Coincident. Okay. And another setting will be. Tadi the radius is 50 from here to here. From here to here is 50. Okay, and this one the dimension is berapa? What is the dimension here? 20. Okay, and another thing we need to mention to you is that okay, here berapa? From here to center line berapa? 65, right? 65. Can become black, right? Okay. Okay, about the level, still mean kalau if I terminate this one, it still can be moved, right? Still can be moved, right? Okay, actually, this one I accidentally, okay, right. Okay, but here is nampak tak? Solidworks already auto detect color again, already been set color. Unless it's not there, you have to set. Jangan over. If you already set color, do not put it again, so you will be over defined. Already set color, okay? Separate. Another thing about here. This line, if you look at this dot and this dot must be, or this dot and this line must be coincident, right? Same goes here. This dot and this dot is this dot and this line must be coincident. Okay, now we have black. Only the blue color is still not fully defined. The last symbol is blue. Can you see? What did we miss on the dimension? Something that we miss. Apa dia? Can you see if how do I zoom in? Can you see 5 there?
Yes.
5 from what? This point to this point is 5. Guys, are you watching? Ada 5, can you see?
Yes.
So the 5 will be from this one. This dot to this dot will be 5. So it is fully defined. Nampak kan? Yes? Yeah, question? Yeah? Because why do I know? You will be over defined if you verify because we said already parallel. You kena fully defined. Do not over it. Right? Kalau you accidentally override, delete it, correct? Delete the relation. So make sure it's black. Then it's good. Okay, then I can do, because I have a center line here, so I will do features. Then I will revolve. So it is make sure 360 degree. Okay. Right, so this will be the base. Okay, now lot of method to do the arms, right? Lot of method to do the arms. My way that I explained to you, that is my way to do it. You can follow. Okay, tengok sini. What I will do, I will create a center line. I mentioned to you, center line. Yeah, this is what I create. So you will learn something new. You are adding extra plate. How to create an extra plate?
Okay.
You are not using the standard
Reference
front plate.
geometry.
So you already have this thing. Okay, you already have this. Okay. We have a shoulder here. What I will do, because at the back there, we have flat plane, right? At the bottom, there's a flat plane, right? So I will create a center line, because at the bottom surface we have a flat plane. I will select that face, create a sketch, so it will oriented normal view. Understand? Your view will be oriented looking at from the bottom. Understand? Then I will create. Then you will orientate your view, so this will be your code will be oriented looking at the bottom. I will create a center line here to the center. Create a sketch on here. So after creating that sketch, I will exit again, exit the sketch, zoom isometric, and the view go back to this view. But I already have a center line. So what is the length of that center line? Tadi berapa tadi? Tadi nak kira berapa?
230.
Right? Exit, that's okay. We are not in sketch mode, exit the sketch, but we have the line already added plus. Then we will add this not plane. Create a plane perpendicular to here. Okay? Then I can create a rectangle like that. Okay? Okay, I show that to the space. Okay, watch me.
Reference geometry.
Okay, I already done this match. I rotate it, only select this bottom face, create the sketch. You go to this right again. Rotated bottom view perpendicular. So my center line going up. You can forget, you must know this center line. Going, make sure select at the center, straight it up. The dimension is 230. Okay? 230. Exit your sketch. Okay? As you just sketch, go to standard ISO view. When we have a line, do you see that? Then, okay, now watch me. How do we create plane perpendicular to the end point of the end? Okay, make sure you're under. I'm exiting the sketch. I'm not in sketch mode. Under the features here, reference geometry. Click at the arrow, plane. But we learn basic dulu, okay? The rest will later. Okay, plane, plane. Okay, plane. Now we are plane. When we have a line, okay, the first reference I will select the line, not the dot, the line, the center line that I have just created. And the second is ask for second frame, just select, zoom in, select the end point of the center. So, okay, we have additional plane 1. Nampak? Okay, then I will create, once if I have a plane, I can create a sketch. You go to normal view, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is important. You go normal view, I need to create, my rectangle is not going down, right? My rectangle is here, right?
Yeah.
It's up here. So, but this is my 0, 0 point. 0, 0 point. So, I need to position, okay. How do I position my plane to that here? I'm now in this sketch plane, right? But I'm in ISO view. Clear? I'm now in this sketch mode of this plane. I can create corner to corner rectangle. Boleh? Now using take note, using relation to move this middle point. You select this middle point, coincident with this origin, then it coincides. Clear? Yeah? Okay. How do we do that? Watch me. Watch me. Okay, I'm in this sketch mode. Corner to not. I'm not using center. Just corner to corner rectangle can do anywhere. Boleh? Clear? Okay. Okay, now, not in the, I'm not using, I'm right click select, okay, watch me. I bring my mouse touching the bottom segment, highlighted, okay, right click at it, then in option select midpoint, is it? Select midpoint, so you will detect that midpoint. You see there's a dot sign there. You will detect the middle point of that segment. Okay, it's already selected one dot. We dah select the midpoint segment. Hold on your control key and select the origin point. We get it? Apa option dia cakap? Coincident. If I go like that, it's coincident. Right? Okay. Now giving berapa dimension dia? Radius is 40, so 80, right? Okay. 80. What is the height?
50.
Thickness?
50.
50. Okay. Now we have 15 then. Okay, what do we do? Okay, this is not extrude using line up to surface. Okay. Kalau features when you do extrude, you using line. Okay, sometimes the direction is like this. You want to go reverse like that. Kalau you give this, then you don't do it like this guy. It's wrong. I saw dia cut through. No, that is wrong. Because why? Can you see that the extended? Can. Okay. So we are not using this thing. Under blind here, up. You see, up to surface. You know what is up to itu later on try. Yang penting up to surface. So which surface is stop? Cylindrical surface. Yeah. Okay, so stop there. Okay, then what we have here? Fillet at last, can?
Yeah,
Radius 40. Fillet. Okay, fillet. This one and the one.
40.
Then what? Slot. So what slot kan? Class. Slot. Cash. You know, slot. You don't have to create center line. As long as you detect concentrate. Remember you before you do slot. Class cannot finish. Slot. Measure. Bring your line. They detect the center point, right?
Yes.
Like that. Then asking for the length. Just put it like that. Okay.
Radius 20.
Radius ni berapa?
20.
20, right?
Yes. 40.
And distance here?
40.
40.
Yes.
Okay. 40 then.
Extrude.
Through all, right? Ini through all, right? Okay. Now, you don't have to do the other two arms. Okay, take note. Circular pattern. Okay, circular pattern, so I was circular pattern, the extrude arm and the slot, right? Circular pattern need a pass. I can select any cylindrical or any cylindrical edges also can be detected. As long as you have a circular pass to be circular pattern. So, where is the circular pattern? So I'm not in sketch point, it is in under features. Can you see that is a linear pattern? Before this you can mirror, right? Linear pattern, you click at that arrow, we have circular pattern. Okay, circular pattern. Okay, tengok guys, important guys. Look in front, guys, look in front. The first one is highlighted. Sometimes directly ask which picture pattern. You have to click at the top one here. Direction, I can select any cylinder faces as my guide. You know the direction of the circular, right? Select this one, surface, okay. This one, leave it as default, 160. How many number here?
3.
3. Features to pattern is what? The arm. Okay, sometimes you, a good way, you can select arm length. Sometimes, or can you see that is your list on your screen, right? Just now I do boss extrude. This one, yeah. 1. Then I do fillet, here select. Fillet also included. I can select the list and also cut extrude is there. Okay, it is listed here, right?
Yes.
Then we have the 3 arm, okay? Okay, fine, last one. The drill hole, I want you to figure out. The bottom drill hole, you figure out. The top one, I need to show you. Okay? The top one here. Okay? Remember I said this is flat plane, right? Sketch, so it go normal view. Okay, because can you see that we have a hole there, okay?
Yes.
Forget about the drill, the bigger hole. Position is where? Can you see 86, 86? You mean half of it is 43, 43, right? X, Y coordinate. Right? 43, 43. So just simply create, yeah? And give dimension from here
To the middle.
to here 43. From here to here 43. right? 43, 43, okay? Then the diameter is,
ใช้ต้าเลย
the bigger diameter berapa? Can you read the dimension? 4 times radius 11. So the diameter is 22. Okay? Right. Okay? That's a video. Okay, this one important. Watch me. Okay, that's another thing. Class, watch me, class. Okay. Extrude, right? Extrude up to bottom surface, right? Right? Extrude. But another thing, we are using laser. If I do extrude up to bottom surface, up to surface, I select the surface, what will happen? Watch me. It looks good, right? Here again, but look here. Can you see? Extended, right? Sekarang cut up again. Okay. Edit back. Do not use directly like that. Edit. Don't do that. Can you see? We can select. I just need this portion only, not at the back, because this one is kind of like overlap, right? We have some extended here. Just edit the region. Okay. We have. Can you see? Select contours. Here.
โอ้ไม่น่าจะใช่
Contours. Can you select the region there? Okay. Clear? Only the other portion too you don't need, right? Only the part. Okay? Okay, and then you know lah. This one you know. Jadi make sure you snap at that. Circle you must snap at that. Okay, I can click circle, you snap at. Dia kena detect detect the center point. 4 times diameter 10 kan? Diameter 10, so 10. Okay, ini extruded. Okay, tengok sini. Ini extruded apa? Dah extruded cut apa? Extruded cut.
True all
No, true all tak boleh. Dia akan makan.
Surface.
Cut true all aku jadi
both
kelas.
surface both surface
Kena tu dia makan, okay?
oh
Tak boleh true all guys, tak boleh. Okay.
plus surface
Okay, I will done this. So what we do? Extruded cut. Up to surface. This surface, this surface. Right? Then apa?
mirror
Circular pattern. Circular pattern. Okay, reference. This we need to can do. Okay, features dia already detected this one kan? Okay, let me just right click here boleh. Apa? What do we need to pattern? Which one we need to pattern? The boss extrude and the cut extrude. Fine. Boleh?
empat
Hah? Okay, sorry. My mistake.
edit
Bukan pada empat. Okay. Okay, bawah you figure out Takkan saya nak cakap semua kan? Bawah ada hole sikit kan bahagian? Plus.
pakai sana
Right, so this one is the second
agak 45 degree